I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Chemistry Objective Past Question, and this is question number 8. The question is, which of the following substance is non-polar? A. Bromine, B. Ammonia, C. Water, and D. Hydrogen bromide. Which of the following substance is non-polar? A. Bromine, B. Ammonia, C. Water, and D. Hydrogen bromide. So to answer this question, the first question you would ask yourself is, what exactly is a non-polar compound, or what is a non-polar substance? And if you have non-polar substances, then chances are there are also polar substances. So what is a polar substance and what is a non-polar substance? Now, I will start from a polar substance. A polar substance or compound is any substance or any compound that has slight charges within that particular compound. A polar compound possesses charges within the constituents that make up that particular compound, and those charges exist due to electronegativity. And electronegativity is the attraction of an element, or the tendency for an element to attract electrons. So polar substances basically are compounds, or examples of polar substances or polar compounds are water, hydrochloric acid, ammonia, etc. Now these substances or these compounds possess charges within them, and the charges that they possess within them are due to the tendency for them to attract electrons. That is electronegativity. Now as for non-polar compounds or non-polar substances are the direct opposite of polar substances. And non-polar substances, basically, just for sake of clarity, are compounds that do not possess charges within them, and usually they are diatomic molecules. Most non-polar substances are diatomic molecules. Other examples of non-polar compounds include hydrocarbons such as benzene, carbon dioxide is also an example of a non-polar substance, and then all the noble gases, examples of which are helium, neon, are non-polar substances or non-polar compounds. Non-polar substances would be a more appropriate name to call them. Now remember that I also mentioned that diatomic molecules are also examples of non-polar substances. So from the options, you have bromine, ammonia, water, and hydrogen bromide. Now if you look at ammonia, we have already mentioned ammonia as an example of a polar substance, so ammonia is ruled out. We've mentioned water also as an example of polar substance, so water is ruled out. Hydrogen bromide is a chemical compound that comprises of hydrogen and bromine. So since it is likely to possess charges within it, so hydrogen bromide is ruled out. But bromine, this is bromine, and bromine is a gas, and you would agree with me that most gases exist as diatomic molecules, exist independently as diatomic molecules, like hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas, so hydrogen exists independently this way as a diatomic molecule. So bromine is a diatomic molecule, and we listed diatomic molecules as examples of nonpolar substances. So the answer would be A, bromine. So bromine is a non-polar substance. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and more past questions and answers. Thank you.